Question A. A number that if divided by 9, the quotient is 15 and the remainder is 3 is you want to find the number. Okay, we know this number we call it dividend and this number divisor and this number quotient and here remainder. We know the dividend equal quotient multiplication by divisor plus the remainder. You want to find the dividend, so the dividend will be 9, we call this a divisor, and the quotient 15 plus the remainder 3. Then he can it the number asked about the dividend, quotient times divisor plus remainder. 9 times 15 plus 3, 5 times 9 equal 45. Write 5 and the carry of 4. 1 times 9 equal 9, 9 plus 4 equals 13. Plus 3, the result will be 138. It's the result, 138. Letter P. Space is the opposite of negative 12, it will be 12. Letter C. The algebraic term negative 3 over 4x has two factors. We has here two factors here. Negative 3 over 4 times x. Negative 3 over 4, it's numerical here, and x we call the verbal. Numerical algebraic here, negative 3 over 4, and x algebraic factors verbal factor, and negative 3 over 4 numerical factor. So we have two factors here, negative 3 over 4 numerical factor and x verbal factors. We have two factors here. In this example, the result will be 2. Choose 2. Question letter C, it was letter C. Okay, letter D. If we subtract 9 from the number x, then the result will be x minus 9. X minus 9. Subtract 5 from x minus 5. X we call it the median and 5 is subtrahend. Question letter E. 1 power 5, it will be 1. 1 times itself 5 times, the result will be 1. Second equation, letter E. If 2000 divided by 51 equal 39 and the remainder was 11, then 51 times 39 equal what? We must add two numbers here. You want to find the product between divisor and the quotient. We have the remainder. You must find the difference between remainder from this number. 2000 subtract by 11. Okay, in this example you want to find product between divisor and the quotient. To find the result of divisor and the quotient, you must cancel 11 from the dividend. Okay, so 51 times 39, it will be 2000 times subtract by 11. It will be 10 and 9 and 9 and 1. 10 minus 1, 9 minus 1 equal 8. And write 9 and 1. The result will be 1989. Or you can write 51, okay, multiplication by 39 using long multiplication to find the result. 1 times 9 equal 9. 5 times 9 equal 45. Plus under 0, 3 times 1 equal 3. 3 times 5 equal 15. And then eat them. It will be 9 and 8 and 9 and 1. It's exactly the number as you like. You can use this methods or these methods. Okay. First step. 2000 subtract by 11, it will be 1989, or 51 times 39 equal 1989. It's exactly the result. Okay, as you like, this method or this method. Next question, letter B. The absolute term is algebraic expression 5b plus 3.2. We know absolute term, we called it the constant. It means the constant in this expression 5b plus 3.2. It's a constant. 3.2 is a constant or absolute term. Letter C, a number whose prime factor is 2, 3, 5 is 2, multiplication by 3, multiplication by 5, it will be 30. Letter D, Salah saves £8 per day. How much does he save in a week? We know 1 week equals 7 days. Then he will save in a week 7 multiplication Z, it will be 7Z. 7Z pounds. Question letter E. In space, 4 is called space and 2 is called exponent. 4 power 2. 4 power 2 because 4 is a base and 2 is a power. Third question here. Find the value of, about letter E, find the value of 4A subtract by 15 divided by 3. Okay, if E equal 2.5. E equal 2.5. Clear this sign and write equal to this sign equal to, okay, E equal 2.5. Then the value will be what? 4 multiplication E put 4 multiplication the value of A 2.5 subtract by 15 divided by 3. It's order operation. We have parentheses first, exponent next. Multiplication and division is the same step. First come first serve. Multiplication 4 by 25 2.5 it will be 10. Subtract by 15 divided by 3 equal 5, and then 10 minus 5 it will be 5. The result here will be 5 about this example. Arrange the following number in descending order. First step, we can find the result about absolute term, and then we can find arrange descending from greatest to smallest. We know the absolute term about this number, negative 0.25, it will be 25 hundredths. Then the order from left hand side to right hand side, you want to find the greatest number. Greatest number here, this number we have here, negative, it will be positive, and negative 3 over 4, convert it from fraction to decimal number, it will be negative 0.7 and 5. And we have 1 over 2, it will be half, 0.5. And we have negative 1 over 5, it will be negative 0.2. Convert this number, because 1 over 5, you can convert it by multiplication by 2 numerator and denominator, it will be negative 2 over 10, it will be negative 0.2. Okay, and then you want to find a range from greatest to smallest. This is descending order. We have here 0.8 is the greatest number, 0.8, and then 0.5, right in the simplest form, 1 over 2. Okay, and the next number we have 0.25, right in the simplest form. He give us in this example, right, this number is 4, and we have what? Negative, it's positive, okay, and then negative this number and negative this number. You want to find this number, negative 0.2, it was negative 1.5, 1 over 5, this number. Okay, and the next number here, the last one, this number, positive, okay, I write it. And this right number, last one here, this number, okay, negative 0.7 and 5, it's the last one. Okay, my students, understood? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, we have 5, 1 2 3 4 5 numbers. It's this order from left hand side to right hand side. Question here, letter C. Basim runs 1 kilometer in 15 minutes. Write mathematical expression that expresses the number of kilometers that Basim runs in 10 minutes. Okay, to solve this example, first you must know Basim runs 1 kilometer at 15 minutes. Okay, write mathematical expression that expresses the number of kilometers. We want to know the number of kilometers that Basim runs in 10 minutes. We can use the rule here, the product of extremes equals the product of means. Then the number here, I put here a unknown number, it will be what? 1 times t divided by 15. The product of extremes equals the product of means. Then 1 times t divided by 15. The result will be t over 15. Okay, t over 15 kilometer. This is the number of kilometer. The number of kilometer, it will be t over 15 kilometer.